For individuals who have an interest in the law, becoming a paralegal is one of the fastest ways to enter the legal profession. The Paralegal Technology program prepares students for employment as entry-level legal assistants in law firms, corporations, government agencies, as well as other law-related careers in settings like banks, real estate, hospitals, and more. Students have the opportunity to observe actual courtroom proceedings, allowing for a better understanding of judicial procedures. Our graduates are prepared in all areas of law, covering family law, criminal law, real property law, torts, as well as wills and estates. Upon completion of this program, a graduate is skilled in legal research, preparation of legal documents, legal writing, and different aspects of professional communication. This program offers a one-year certificate, but most students complete the two-year program for an Associate of Applied Science degree. The Paralegal Technology two-year degree is a great start to a career in numerous settings. It can also lead to transfer options at the university level for a bachelor's degree in paralegal studies. We have graduates that have gone this route, and some have completed their Juris Doctorate to become a lawyer.
Our students start with basics of the law and courtroom procedures and move up from there. The required internship in this program is instrumental in preparing our students for a job upon graduation. It allows for real-time experience while also giving the student networking opportunities for future employment.
This program has more than prepared me for the future after I graduate. It has also been the key to pushing me to go to law school. My time in the paralegal program has convinced me that work in the legal environment is where I belong.
With the training I have received and the work I'm doing in immigration law, I know I will be prepared for a great start to my career. As a matter of fact, I've been receiving multiple job offers as I prepare to accept a job in Nashville.
Through my internship at the Whedon Law Firm, I've been able to observe and participate in an actual law office. I've gained valuable work experience, and they have offered me a full-time paralegal position when I graduate.
I tell everyone that the Northeast Mississippi Community College Paralegal Program definitely prepares paralegals. It gets them ready from the classroom to the courtroom, and they are a vital part of our legal system. We need paralegals, and you will be prepared if you go to Northeast Mississippi Community College.
At Northeast, our goal is for every student to graduate with the skills and knowledge needed for your next step in your career or education. Here are some program highlights for the Paralegal Technology program.